Howdy folks, and welcome to episode 8 of Breakfast with BD, your mid-Monday morning motivation to help you tackle your week with energy and positivity. Now, I hope you enjoyed last week's episode on the Energy Fast book review with BD, and if you missed it, I'll throw a link to some of the previous episodes at the end of this video. Today's session is all around strengthening connections. You know, the thing I love most about the work that I do is the people. Connecting with people and helping them unlock deeper connections with their team members. We know we need human connections. And I know for me, when I'm injured or unable to train with my group, how real that statement actually feels. I mean, look at these guys and girls. Even though it seems we're always connected thanks to social media, that notion really couldn't be further from the truth. So what is human connection? It's a deep bond that's formed between people when they feel seen and they feel valued. During an authentic human connection, people exchange positive energy and they build trust. So why do I focus on human connection in my work? The 2021 World Happiness Report found that people who experience an increase in connectedness have greater life satisfaction, they have more resilience, and they have better mental health. Having that strong support system helps people overcome challenges more easily and maintain a state of mental well-being. One of the things I really focus on is what makes a great team. In 2012, Google undertook a project where they looked and examined why some teams thrive and other teams fail. It was called Project Aristotle. The Google research team found that the best teams were effective because they worked together well regardless of who was in the team. The 5 qualities that they uncovered that make a great team are dependability, structure and clarity, meaning, impact, and most importantly, psychological safety. See, when teams promote psychological safety, there's a free flow of ideas, which leads to better outcomes. It means that you can ask for help without fear of retribution or adverse impact on your reputation. Team members feel comfortable asking questions and sharing opinions, which lead to a healthy debate, and that helps the team thrive. In my workshops, I start doing a simple exercise like hero hardship highlight or love, loathe, and learn. It just starts to unlock and open the door to personal sharing. A lot of team leaders believe that taking their team out on the drink or doing a team activity or exercise is going to do the trick. Now, yes, that builds connections, but in order to strengthen connections, you need to go deeper. You need to get personal. So I start by asking questions like, what is your proudest moment and why? Or what is something that's not on your resume? Or what was your happiest day and why was it your happiest day? If you're up to it, you can go to the next level. If a crystal ball could tell you the truth about your life or your future, what would you want to know? Or what's something that you've dreamed of doing all your life but you haven't done it yet? Or when did you last sing to yourself or someone else? Now start to see the team open up. Improving human connections will enhance your team and your life, work and personal. Challenge yourself to build genuine connections. Surround yourself with people with shared interests. Embrace situations outside your comfort zone. Smile, open up to others, and don't hide in your phone. Connections need to be nurtured, so stay in touch. With that note, hit me up if that resonates or had an impact on you. Have an epic week and see you next Monday. Oh, here's the link to some of the previous episodes. Thanks for watching. Bye.